Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by powering the Chromecast and selecting the TV's HDMI input. This kicks off the on-screen pairing immediately. Once done, you'll see a pairing code. Use it to confirm the device. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into your Google account so the Google Home app can detect the Chromecast. You're doing the quick essentials now. Plug, select input, open Google Home. Next, you'll accept permissions and proceed to the network and account steps. You'll continue in Google Home. Tap Add, then Set Up Device, choose New Device and follow prompts to join the TV to Wi-Fi. As you go, make sure you accept the permissions Google Home requests so the TV can be managed. After network setup, sign into your apps directly on Google TV or use the mobile app to push installations. This saves time when casting. Also check display and audio default so apps open at the right resolution and sound profile. Once configured, test casting from one app. You'll finish by testing playback. Open a cast-enabled app on your phone, tap Cast, and select the Chromecast on Google TV. Video should appear within seconds. Make sure display and sound settings match your TV capabilities to avoid upscaling or audio mismatch. Once playback works, enable automatic updates and personalize ambient mode. If things go wrong, try restarting the Chromecast and your router first. This fixes most connectivity issues. If that fails, perform a factory reset from settings, but only after backing up any linked accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.